Hello, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to my channel. I am in China and today we are going to try Beijing Roasted Duck, or as it's referred to in China, Beijing Kaoya. Let's go and take a look, see what it's all about. We have now arrived to the restaurant. Let's go check it out. I'm looking forward to this. Okay, this is the menu right here. I believe this is the duck, what I want to order. I think it might be half a duck, I'm assuming. This must be that, so it looks like probably half a duck. So let's try and see if this works. Okay, and then what else? I think that's it. That's all we want.
好的，小的要大，你也帮你点一份吧。
对对对，好，谢谢。Take a look at that. It smells absolutely incredible. It almost reminds me of the smell on Christmas Day when the turkey is being cooked in the oven. It smells exceptional. Wow. Shishi. It looks so good. Take a look at this. Look at that. That looks perfect. So we've been complimented with these sides, but I've got no idea what to do with these. So we've kindly asked this lady right here if she could help demonstrate us what to do. Shishi. Okay. Oh, so she's going for the duck first. She's getting some duck skin. She's dipping it in the hoisin sauce, I believe it is. She's adding a little bit of cucumber. I think it's cucumber. And I don't know what that is. I think it's plum and onion. Okay, shishi, thank you. Okay, so that lady there just kindly demonstrated to me a way in which you can make that wrap by hand. But she also showed me a second alternative way in which you can do a wrap using the chopsticks. So I am going to attempt, that's the key word, attempt to do the second way. So let's give it a try. So my chopstick skills are not the best, but I think they're pretty decent, to be honest. I will let you guys be the judge of that. Now I need to open this up as so. Okay, now what I do is I will get a little bit of skin. This is the skin. I get some more skin Now, on this skin, as you can see right there, what you can do is you can actually dip it in a bit hoisin like this. You can do the same with the duck also. Place that in the middle. Now, get a bit of the duck meat. Look at that. Look how tender that looks. Wow, looks so nice. And you can place that in the hoisin too, as so. Put that in the middle. Now, you want to get some plum. This is plum. You put a little bit there. Get some onion. The onion will be ideal in this, I think. Okay, now you can get some of this. I'm not too sure what this is. A little pinch of both, as so. Now you get some garlic, and I believe you rub it like this. Now this is going to act as the glue, I believe, if I've done it correctly. And you can take a little teaspoon of sugar and just slightly pour that at the side, as so. And then what we do is we will wrap it like this. I may have to use my hand in a moment. And you want to wrap this tightly. I'm making a bit of a mess here. Okay, I'm going to use my hands. Good job, I've washed my hands. And you can, like so. I believe it was something like this. Okay, so now that's perfect. That's exactly what I was just shown. And now we are going to taste test it. Oh, I'm so hungry. Mmm. 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 That is unbelievable. That is 5 stars right there. 5 stars. Oh my goodness. Mmm. That is possibly the most delicious thing I've ever ate in China. There's actually another way in which you can consume this duck skin. So let's take this bit right there, because that looks perfect. And what you do is you dip it in the sugar, as so. Look at that, coated in sugar. Let's try this. This is supposed to be very good. Mmm, wow. Oh my goodness. That is unbelievable. Literally mouth-watering, mouth-watering. That is like 5 as well. That's like a 5 stars right there. Oh my goodness. Absolutely out of this world. So good. I think the sugar balances out the duck fat, because I think it would be too greasy without the sugar. So it's almost like the sugar neutralizes all the grease, all the oil. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Without a doubt, this is in the top 3 foods I've ever tried in China. I honestly think it's probably number 1. It's that good. I'm not even exaggerating. It is out of this world. you must try Beijing Roasted Duck, or as they say in China, Beijing caviar. It's so good. Finger licking good, or shall I say chopstick licking good. Well, that's it. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Beijing Roasted Duck, aka Beijing caviar. If you like this review, please check out the videos on my channel for further content like this, and don't forget, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like.